let's take a look at Groove Video and just kind of look at the overall features that are included and what we're going to use it for as we're building funnels and websites within Groove. So we're at the dashboard here. We're going to go to Groove Video. And once we're there, we're going to see 5 different icons at the top: library, categories, storage settings, encoder settings, analytics, and new video. I think that's 6 instead of 5. In the library is where we have all of our videos stored. So within the library, we have a list of a whole bunch of videos. We can sort them by category. We can sort them by the date they were created, or when they were updated, by name A to Z. We can search with a keyword. So we say video. It's going to bring all the ones that have the word video in them. So we can do this all on the dashboard. This is where the videos reside, and this is where we would go to edit a video or to add a video if we want to. So within the library, we can click the 3 dots and edit the video, which we're going to go through in detail in the rest of this Groove Video course. So the first thing we have, again, is the library. That's where everything is stored. The second thing we have, which is really something you should set up before you start, but you can set up later if you want to, and that is different categories of videos. And this is simply a way of organizing your videos in the library itself. So they're essentially just names of different categories. And if we go back to the library, you're going to see that I can go choose just the category cell, new course cell. So videos that were more recently created. So here's just one. This is for the checkout. Let's go to Finish Your Funnel pages, the whole Finish Your Funnel Academy. These are all the videos that are in the Academy related to pages. So that's how categories are used. Let's go back to the main settings here again. Now, storage and encoder are only used for people who don't have a paid account. And this is where you would set up where your files are going to be stored and how they're going to be encoded. We don't have to do any of that when you have a paid account. And let's take a look at analytics. Analytics is what you would think it's going to be. Analytics is a list of the files, the videos that you have, how much time they've been watched, how many finishes, how many uniques, how many impressions. So let me just go to some of my earlier videos here. So you can see that the November 18 build has 552 impressions, 105 different people, 14 complete watches of that video, and so forth. So this is where you're going to get some analytics on your actual videos. And then the final one is where we add videos. And you can do that here by clicking New Video. And when you do that, you get the opportunity to upload one video by clicking, let's just say, video name. We can choose a category here, or just leave it at default category. Just choose something, and then you can select your file, clicking this and going and finding it. There's a video. So then it's going to go through the process of uploading the video, and once it does that, it's going to actually put it into your library. It's going to encode it. You can set the settings, and now you have another video in your library. Something else I want to say about adding videos is if you're actually in the library itself and you go and drop down add video, you can add one or you can add multiple videos. And so here you can add 2, 3, 4, I think up to 10 videos at a time, and it will upload them all at one time. So that's Groove Video. It's going to be the place where we upload our videos, to store our videos, and once we get into the Groove pages and the Groove member and other places where we're going to see these, we're going to see how you add them to your pages and how you add them to Groove member.